Alright guys, well, I thought I'd come out here and do a little video for y'all, showing you guys what the stock TTR exhaust sounds like compared to the FMF Power Core 4 exhaust. If I can find this thing on Amazon, I'll try to put an affiliate link down below if you guys want this exhaust, but yeah, let's go ahead and start it up. This TTR hasn't been ran in a while, so it's a little bit tough starting, but hopefully it'll start. Just had it running a second ago, so it should. Alright, there we go. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear that too well, but this is the stock. Probably won't idle, I don't know. Yeah, it's barely idling. Alright, well, that's the stock. Now, let's go ahead and test the FMF. Battery's probably too dead to electric start, so we gotta kick it. Alright. And here's the FMF. See if it'll idle good. Oh yeah, this dirt bike idles a little better. Probably got to turn up the idle on that thing or clean out the carb or something, but yeah guys, let me know down in the comments what you think sounds better. Anyways, might as well go take this thing out for a little test drive since we're already out here and try to do some wheelies. Put down the visor as it is pretty chilly out here today. Winter is coming, guys. Alright, here we go. Let's do a second gear. Oh! Man, I'm rusty on the wheelies. Try to do a circle here real quick in first gear. Oh man, I'm used to doing them on the XR80 now. I used to think this thing was easier than that one to do circle wheelies, but I don't know, maybe I got used to the other dirt bike. Yeah, this one you just, oh! Almost crashed there. Like I was saying, this one you gotta lean over farther than the XR80, it seems like. Let's lean over a little bit farther. That wasn't a very smooth landing. Alright, one more. Try to get a smoother landing here. Decent. Not bad, but still pretty bad. Alright. Let's cruise around here for a minute. Just cleared these trails a little bit wider, so it's a little bit less sketchy to go through here a little bit faster than normal. There's first, second. Oh man, not enough power, I was getting too much speed. Gotta pop it up sooner than that. Jeez, it is cold out here, guys. Should have brought some gloves. Alrighty guys, well, I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, hope you to drop a like down below. And I will see you all in the next one.